to share photos or videos to a Facebook group. From your home feed, click Groups in the left menu. Then select the group you want to share your video or photos with. Under the Discussion tab where it says, What's on your mind? Click on the Photo/Video. Then find the photo or video that you want to share from your computer. Once uploaded, in the Create Post that pops up after you upload the photo or video, you can write your description or content. Then click on the blue button that says Post.